Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to share and use whiteboard in Zoom meeting. So let's start the video. First step is you need to create a Zoom meeting. So let's create a Zoom meeting by clicking on new meeting option. After clicking on new meeting option, new screen will be pop up and then join with computer audio. So the Zoom meeting will be starting, and then you need to click on share screen option. After clicking on share screen option, there is three different options: basic, advanced and files. Make sure you select the basic option. After selecting the basic option, there is a different option here, and you need to select the whiteboard option and then click on share. Now your whiteboard will be shared on Zoom meeting, and you draw anything on this Zoom whiteboard, and you also use these tools as well. If you want to erase this, use this eraser, and if you want to add some text, then use this text option as well. So this is the way to share whiteboard in Zoom meeting. I hope this video is helpful for you, and please like this video and also do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.